Piano teachers, how to teach interactive and vertical counting and counting out loud to your piano beginners, and even have them play both clefs at the same time and look at the scores vertically and not horizontally. Have them play from the beginning with both of their hands. Make it easier on other aspects. Ask them to use only one finger on both hands, the same finger. Usually I prefer index fingers or second fingers because it's the first finger we use as babies when we want to show something. But it can be also third finger, fourth. You see that with your student and you decide. And also we are using the same keys, F and F, just in different octaves, in different clefs. They don't even need to be able to find it on the piano keyboard. I can show them. Just play this key and this key. And what it does while I'm showing them both clefs, they may not, in 1 or 2 or 3 lessons, they won't be able to identify and understand all those keys, which keys are and in which octaves and how do we write them on treble or bass clef. But we are planting a seed inside their mind that the same key is being written in different clefs in different positions, in lines or between lines. And of course that also corresponds to the height, to the pitch of our octaves. So that's already something that they already are getting used to. Well, you're gonna give them more examples, different keys, maybe same keys, but let's say G and G. This is already enough for the beginning. And what I'm doing is I'm always counting out loud so that they get used to also to this very important habit. And when they go at home, they are able to count out loud when they are practicing by themselves. And I give one imaginative bar with 4 quarters to give the momentum of our counting here. And how do I count? I don't write down the beats. This won't help much, especially with younger kids. They probably don't even know how to write down numbers. With some it may help, but with most of them it won't be of good value. I show them with my pen or pencil exactly how these bars, these equal time fractions that we divided this piece, are being counted, how the time passes by while we are playing this. So let's say this is our 1, 1, this is the movement of my pencil that you're going to see in a little while. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not counting horizontally because I'm already giving 2 hands at the same time, 2 clefs, and I want them to get used to looking at a broader picture. So let's get started. Let's say that this is the student and this is the same fingers on different hands. It's just that I'm now alone. So my right hand is my student, and this here is the teacher showing this vertical counting, interactive vertical counting. Give one imaginative bar and let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's how your students get used to the idea of counting out loud, how to look and feel the rhythm while they're playing, how to look at both clefs, and also with their eyes, how to read scores with both staffs.